Children, every day we see variety of plants growing in gardens, parks, forests, everywhere. They make our world beautiful. We can see different plants and trees around us. They make the world green and colorful. Do the same kinds of plants grow in all regions? No, different plants grow in different regions depending on the soil and climate. Based on their dwelling places, plants are of two types. One is terrestrial plants, another is aquatic plants. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Trees like banyan, peepal, mango, tamarind, neem, blackberry grow in plains. Tall trees like pine, oak grow on mountains. Plants like cactus, barrel cactus, golden barrel cactus grow in deserts. They store water in their thick stems and use it. These are all called terrestrial plants. Now we will look about aquatic plants. Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. Duckweed and water hyacinth float freely on water. Water lily and lotus have roots that fix the plants to the bottom of the pond. Hydrilla and tape grass grow underwater. Mangroves grow in marshy or swampy areas.